everybody, this is Bill, and I am experimenting here with the record function of any meeting. I wanted to give you an example of the HLB and trading the Fed. The HLB is usually very effective at picking the right direction when the Fed announcement happens. And if I can get this to start here, what happened basically was as soon as the pricing was up here, and as soon as the Fed announcement came out, it just went whoosh down that way, and an HLB formed. And you will see here shortly that I think I can fast forward it a little. I get filled. It goes wild and crazy here for a while in the opposite direction, so you have to not be quite the faint of heart. But then eventually it settles down and heads in the direction that I want. I had originally put a stop loss here down near the bottom. Let me zoom in on this a little bit and see if that helps. Yeah, I originally put that stop loss in case it just swooped down there really fast, but eventually it just kind of clunked around here and clunked around here and clunked around here, and I'm not going to bore you with the whole video because it's quite long. But suffice it to say that we did okay on this particular little trade here. Let's go all the way up here. But it took about 30 minutes for it to be productive. But the point I did want to get across was that the HLB signal is very good at selecting the direction of the trade, and specifically the direction during things like the Fed meeting and Fed notes. So that's it. I'm not going to bore you with the whole thing, but as you can see, picks the direction correctly. It goes short on the HLB. You do have to leave a wild and crazy open stop loss, which is what I do because usually it swings too crazy to keep anything. But once it settles down and continues in the correct direction, then as you can see, very profitable. Okay, that's it. Hope that makes you a little bit smarter. This is a more senior kind of trade, not for the beginner or the faint of heart, but you can trade these things. Okay, later, bye.